All right, so here's going to be one of our last scans for a while now, because we've built up so many goods over the past couple of days, and a lot of it you didn't get to see. However, I just showed you just a couple of pretty good segments before we go over to the next, before we go over to the setting up the operations and the selling videos and the profit videos. So first, let's kind of look at the screen here. This is going to be, again, one of the last sniper videos, and I just want to point out some couple of things and take some deals off. So pay very close attention. Again, you probably see this 1,000 times, and I don't want to show it to you guys 1,000 more. So let's get this over with, and let's do quickly this final snipe scan, right? So first off, exotic leather. It's in the auction house for undetermined market value. The round median price is 1 gold, which is the weekly average. Again, remember that round median price, very, 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 very important. Weekly average, very important, determining which items are going to be good deals. Basically, you want to compare the current auction house price, which is underpriced per item, with the round median price, and then determine if it's going to be a good deal for you to sell. So 54 silver tells me that this is going to be an amazing deal, especially since the round median price is about 1 gold. We can make profits off of that. Small profits, but some profits are still profits. Iron Web Spider Silk, stack size of 2, price per item 1 gold, round median price 1 gold, and we're just going to leave this item alone, right? 1 gold to 1 gold. We're not going to be making any profits off of this, so that can be left alone. And just let it sit on the auction house. We don't have to really touch it that much. Another weave cloth, 30 silver a piece. Round median price, 37 silver a piece. And again, these are just stale items. These are like break-even items. The round median is exactly the same, almost, to the price per item in the auction house. So they're not really worth investing in. You're going to see that time to time, especially when you have this blanked out area. So again, we have Frostweave cloth. Now, here's a good deal. All right. So Frostweave cloth at 20 silver per piece. And you're going to see this a lot. Frostweave cloth tends to be doing very well on this server specifically. And again, it's trending down at just 20 silver per piece. Round median at 1 gold, 30 silver. So we can make about 4 times the profit, 4 or 5 times the profit, 6 times the profit on that by selling each Frostweave cloth back. And there's 4 stacks of 3. So that's about 12 in here for that price range. And we're going to see if we can stash that up right now and make the auction house flip on that. So you see how auctioneers go about doing this. Well, at least I hope you do by now. And let's see if we can get this item. So it's going a little bit slow. So maybe we can try alt clicking it and see that item no longer exists. So it's been bought out, which is understandable. That was a pretty good deal. So I'm kind of upset about that. And here we have Snow Lily, 30 silver a piece. Stack size is 16. We mouse over it. Round median price is about 2 gold. We really have to say no more. We can just buy these Snow Lilies out. And again, TSM takes a little bit of time trying to find these items. They generally aren't on the auction house anymore. And I could kind of expect that, because deals like that should be fast movers. I mean, you would be pretty much kind of on the slower side if you couldn't get any of those deals right away. So we have War Leader's breastplate. I like this piece. I know it can sell actually pretty fast. I can't see the region median. I should put that on. You should have that on. I honestly don't have it on right now. So we're going to skip this deal, but I believe it follows our buying rule. I'm not too sure about it, but I'm pretty sure it does. All right. But anyway, we're going to skip it. Lesser Planet Essence, 99 silver a piece. We already done this deal, 4 gold on the median. We're definitely going to buy all 4 of those out. Bolt of silk cloth. The region median is 10 gold a piece. It's in the auction for 10 gold a piece. We're going to actually leave that alone. The market value is very, very high right now. So if we buy this out for 10 gold a piece, we know that we can at least break even if it doesn't sell today. If we get it to sell today for the market value, we'll probably be making about 25 gold off it. But again, market value changes day to day. Market value is never going to be the same. So if we don't sell this item today, all 22, then that means we're probably going to be breaking even, and even maybe a very small chance of losing a tiny bit of gold, not more than 10 gold off of this. So I believe it's a sizable enough risk. So we're going to pay 220 for 22 bolts of silk, Balta silk cloth, excuse me. And here we have Balta Mage Weave cloth, 99 silver a piece, round medium price at 249 gold. We're going to buy that out. We're not even thinking about it. There we go. Bought a lot of them actually, so we're getting some good deals. That's good. Alabaster pigment. I have no idea what that's for. Oh, okay. Obtained when. All right. Obviously, been doing peace. All right. This is a milling thing. So it's in the auction for 2 gold. The usual price is about 3 gold, 77 silver. The market value is 4 gold, and we can sell this back today, I believe. And it's just one of them, so we might as well snatch it up. So now we have 200 bolts of netherweave. And the market value is very, very high. It's about 7 gold. The median price is 294. However, the median price is lower than the auction house price, and this is a big risk you take. You have to sell this off today or maybe tomorrow if the market price stays high. So you got to sell this off soon if you want to make profit. So that's a risky move there. And we have a stack size of 200. Do I know if all 200 are going to move? I can't say. So I would personally take this out. But that's just me. However, if you're new and you don't have a huge gold pool, like on this character I have about 60k, and this character is basically the one I use to kind of do trade goods. I kind of give characters a set amount. I give this character 60k to do trade goods. This character will have 100k to manage the transmog market, and this character and my other character just sit around with a set amount of gold just in case I need any backups. So I mean, for me, I would personally do this, but I can take the risk. If you have a smaller gold pool, then I understand you not being able to do that. But I'm feeling it. I really want to take it and see if I can get it to move for this market value. So I'm just gonna go ahead and snatch both of them up. but you know, that's me. That's how I do it. So ancient lynching. No, that's not a good deal. The price per item, which is the current auction house price, is not at the realm median. Nightmare Vine, same deal there. And we're starting to end out our deals. Let me just check if this Frostweave is still there. I really want it to be there. And again, you'll never know with the TSM sniper. It does have a little slow points here and there, but it doesn't seem like it's there. So we're just going to cancel that. Now let's just kind of see the later deals and see if we can find anything interesting. And we really can't, except Spirit of Harmony. So Spirit of Harmonies, these are moving really fast. And it's at 29 gold, 28 gold for one. So I know we can sell it for higher than the market value. We're just gonna buy that out, and we're not gonna think much of it. It actually might not even be here. Yeah, I would kind of expect that. For 29 gold for Spirit Harmony is pretty good, especially since those things move in seconds. So that was kind of an obvious one to me. Ball of Wool Cloth, Greater Mystic. All right, this is a good one here. So the region median is at 1 gold 97 silver. The auction house price is 75 silver. So we can make double the profits if we buy it out, sell it back onto the auction house. The market value is actually downtrending. It's at 1 gold 41 silver. So this is a good time to buy it while the prices are moving down, but the auction house price is still lower than the region median. I mean the realm median. Excuse me. We're gonna buy that out. All 4, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And we're gonna add that to auction house stock. Ancient Lichen. We already gone over that. And there we go. That's it. And that's going to be our final scan. As of right now, if you see extra videos, because we added more scans onto the course, which is probably going to happen. I can't make any promises, but probably. All right. So that's it for our scanning videos. Now you should be kind of familiar with this system, how it works. How to get things off the scanner. So use this inside your games. All right, when you want to start scanning the auction house, this is how you're going to have to do it. So first thing you want to do is you kind of want to get your transmog items uploaded to the auction house. Do your transmog first, then do some real-time scanning. When that works, you want to kind of finish it up with doing some of this sniper scanning. So you kind of want to do all three and try to condense that into your week. And you do that, and one thing I can promise, the gold will start to roll into your account. There is no debating that. And let's get into it.